Practicing this choreography will challenge and improve your balance.
Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to practice furthermore, I'm breaking down all the techniques and the tricks during weekly lives. You can access these lives from the weekly live membership or the Access All membership. You can also access the recordings afterwards from the Let's Dance membership. See you soon!